According to me, nowadays love marriage is better than arranged marriage because you choose your partner based on love and understanding, and you spend time with them, and you feel emotional connection with that person, and yeah, that's all now.
थोड़ा माइक
But
दूर रखो आप, थोड़ा माइक
your
दूर रखो।
that emotional connection will vanish. It but your that emotional connection will be vanished within few days. That's why now this is the result of so many diverse diverse cases are appearing in front of us in these days
थोड़ा
because of love marriage.
माइक थोड़ा दूर रखो मानसी, थोड़ा माइक दूर रखो।
Okay, sir.
Because love marriage is increasing in these days.
Hmm. But
So,
it
so many
uh,
diverse cases are appearing in front of us.
but same thing also happening in arranged marriage. Even for me, if I would say that it's really scary. You don't know that person and you are going to marry. It's not a it's biggest decision in your life. You are going to getting married with someone and you don't know about them properly.
Yes, but comparatively in arranged marriage, diverse cases diverse cases are less than uh,
आरलेस
Arrange
मतलब
love
love
आरलेस।
marriage
marriage, are less arranged
less
marriage.
than arranged. Hmm.
Hmm.
Uh, okay, but first tell me about the arranged marriage. What is arranged marriage? Means your parents decide that whom you are going to marry. Uh, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, if you are now 26 or 27, so you are enough mature to choose your partner, whomever you want to uh, marry, because
Who can
you.
who can you enough mature to choose your partner? Your parents are much mature and they have much experience than you to
Mhm.
choose your partner. They
But they
have
always not right. I mean, sometimes they can be wrong.
who tell you this
You
they
I have
no no.
seen so many cases in around me. They are basically wrong. Every parents are not same.
So it can be
and
done in
and
love
my
marriage
point
also.
is there
It can be
and my
done in
point
love
is
marriage
there
also.
that is you are going to spend with that person in your whole life. Your parents is not going to do the same thing, and they will not with you their whole life with you. You have to spend that
See,
person.
your
Hmm,
your parents love you much more
hmm,
uh, than anyone of this world.
hmm.
So they will choose a person for you that person is uh, that person is that person is apt for you of any aspect.
Sorry, I'm not getting. What did you say?
That person will be suitable for you
Okay, okay.
uh,
I got it.
if that person choose
Uh,
your
I'm
parents.
not I'm not saying that the parents always will be right or always will be wrong, but my point is that the person with whom you are going to spend your whole life, first it's your decision. Then go to talk with your parents about that girl or boy, whoever it is. Then try to convince them, and they will see that what is right in it and what is wrong. They will tell you at that time. And if you are the 27 and 28, you are enough mature. If you will choose someone, then you are not blind now. You will choose someone who is going better for you in future life.
But in the age of 26 or 27, you got just only a figure of age, not experience, which have your parents. So
But
I don't think
if
that you are enough mature to choose your life partner.
if you are not mature to choose your partner at that age, so how can you marry at that age with some other person, and you are going to take responsibility? How will you manage that responsibility then?
You will
If
manage that
you are not
responsibility.
that much mature, I think you should not get married at that age. When you will mature to choose your partner according to yourself, that time you should get married.
Without experience, you will not get you will not get that age at any time.
No,
So,
no, you can, but if you are not, then I think you should take time for this. Don't need to do marry in a hurry.
in my opinion, at any age you marry, uh, you should choose your life partner with
Mhm.
the consent of your parents, and
See,
this is called arranged
I'm
marriage.
okay. I'm going to tell you one. Uh, there is one my friend who shared his story. What happened with him? You said, "Na, arranged marriage is always right, and parents say choose your partner, or they will be always right." So what happened with him? Their parents chose a girl they said to him that you have to marry uh, that girl. And why his father chose that girl? Because she was giving so much dowry at that time, and she was actually aged, and means elder than him. I think it approx 8 or 9 year. And she was also not good for him. Even there's so many points which I do not want to mention there. But their parents did. After that, he is totally in right now he is totally in depression, and their parents don't care about it. And that girl is doing so many things wrong, but their parents always they said to him that you have to continue this marriage, you can't leave her, because it's I don't want to face how will I face society if you leave that girl. These kind of things happened with him in past.
See, exceptions are always there. Like not 100% cases are success in love marriage, so not 100% cases success in arranged marriage also.
But you said
So
na ki
exceptions are
parents
always
are
there.
always right. You said that time. So I want to tell you it's not true. They are not always right. You
So
have
this is
to
not.
that much mature that time to see that who is right and who is right and who is not. And
So
whoever it is, your
why
parents,
why your friend why your friend did marry that girl?
why he married? Because
Yeah.
he at that time he was young. I think he was 20 years old, and their parents uh, put on him put on him so much pressure, and they had to do this even they did not want.
So exceptions are always there. This is one or many cases can
But
be.
honestly, if you ask to me about this, I would say it's really scary for me to marry a person you don't spend time with him, or you are going to spend whole life with them, and it's I don't think so.
No, I think if our
and
parents
and
love
one
us,
point I also put there. You said that that time, uh, huh, arranged marriage is now going on well. I mean, uh, they are not giving divorce each other at that time. You said that this point. Am I right now?
uh, I said that love marriage mm, in love marriage appears so many divorce cases in love marriage, but I did not say that in arranged marriage not a single case will appear.
Hmm. And sometimes my father also say this thing that if you see the past, that time divorce was not involved in but in past. So I said to him that because of the women's that time, they suffered a lot, but they didn't share, and they didn't take a stand for themselves. That is why uh, it was going well that time.
Yeah, you are
and
right on this
nowadays
point.
and
You are
nowadays
right on
they
this
are
point,
they are
but
taking stand. That is why it's happening a lot, because
but
they are.
in these days, love is vanished from any relations. In my opinion, love is vanished from any
It
relation.
depends to person, and first you have to spend with them time. After that you can get that result.
How much time will you spend? Then you will take a decision that oh yes, this person is
It's
right,
also depend on
or
that person. It's how much mature he is or she is.
no. I think uh, uh, before marry, every person's behavior is mm, like a very good citizen or like a very good lover, but after marry, his real phase comes to you.
But at
In
least at least you will not have a regret that my parents did wrong with me. You choose, and you will have to face that time, whatever will happen with you in future.
so your if you choose and that decision will be wrong,
Hmm.
so you will get less pain,
Get left pain means
less. If
uh,
you
would you
choose your
repeat?
life partner, listen,
Mm-hmm.
if you
Mm-hmm.
choose your life partner and
Mm-hmm.
your life partner is wrong person,
Mm-hmm.
so will you get less pain?
Not less, but it if at least I have I will not blame my parents that he did wrong with me, and I
This
will
is
face
not the
that.
thing. This is not the thing that my
This
parents
is the thing. It is important. It
I
is
in
also
this
important,
case
and I think it is good for
in
parents.
this
They
case
should
we should
understand.
see in this case we should see the figures that how many which marriage is much more success, arranged marriage is more success, or love
No
marriage
one,
is more
no
success.
one. They are no one. I would say.
No, in this case arranged marriages are much success than
No,
love
no, no.
marriage.
You are wrong. Arranged marriage, you are saying because uh, you are talking about those women who are suffering, but they are silent, and their parents said it's okay. You have to just, um, you have to
Ma'am, this is the
bear this
cases of
kind of
olden
pain.
days. This is the cases of olden days that
It's also
women are
happening
suffering.
right now.
women suffered a lot,
and
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 they
one
didn't
more,
say a
one more.
single word to his parents, and they spent their whole life with suffering.
It's
So
also
this is the
happening right now. And as well, there is one more point, that is, if the women's are not independent, they have to suffer from whatever whatever happening wrong with them, because they think that what I will do if I left that person, who will take care of me, and this kind of thing. And their parents is
so
also
this is a type of greed. This is a type of greed, or you can say dependability. That if you don't have anyone who can give you uh, two meals, two time of meals,
hmm,
you cannot leave him. Huh? That
mm,
he will.
no, but
Yeah.
you said arranged marriage is going on well. I said why. I gave you points. Why? Because of these things. Means they are totally suffering. That is why it's going on well in some cases, in not in every cases.
Because of arranged marriage, how they are suffering? How can you prove this point? Because
I
of arranged marriage, how they are suffering?
mm, I'm not saying that about. I'm not talking about every person, but most of the person. As you said that love marriage is going on well, better than love marriage, I said no, they are on equally at that time.
No,
So
I'm
if
saying arranged marriage are much success than love
no,
marriage.
no, it is not.
Are you married?
Sorry.
Are you married girl?
No, no, I'm not yet, and thank God.
Okay. So
And
no,
are
I'm.
you?
Huh. Yes, yes.
And maybe you are in arranged marriage.
Yeah, yeah. I'm married and I'm arranged marriage.
Okay, okay. So how
Yes.
is going your married life?
My married life is going too much with success.
Okay,
Hmm.
good.
I'm happiest soul in this world.
So you are lucky.
Yeah, I'm too much lucky. And
Mm,
every girl will be lucky if she will marry with her parents' consent, with
no,
arranged
I'm
marriage.
not. I'm not going to agree with this point, because in love marriage I have seen so many couple who are very happy in their marriage.
So this is the scenario for a few days or few months in the love marriage, but after some days the love is vanish.
Okay, okay. So what about arranged marriage? It's always in the pink. They are always going in the pink.
99% cases
How can
always
you
pink.
say? Because your
Yeah.
is going on, it doesn't mean that every because I have seen in my uh, own house that how it is. If you are talking about love now, so what is love? First tell me that what kind of love are you talking about, that it's always in love marriage it always not they always it always vanish. First tell me what is love, what kind of love are you talking about?
I mean, uh, क्या बोलते हैं? I mean,
Hmm?
I don't. The word is not coming on my mouth. Uh,
Say in Hindi, then I will get.
yeah, त्याग.
Okay, okay.
हाँ.
uh,
Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Compromise.
Sacrifice for each other. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sacrifices
So
for
you
each
think
other. Well, yeah, this
it is
type of love. Mhm.
it is called love.
Yeah, yeah. In my opinion, it's called love. If you love someone, so you should sacrifice all those things that will be hidden for his success or means आपको चाहिए बट वो आपकी उसकी सक्सेस में हिडन है अगर तो you should sacrifice all those things. This type of love.
But in love marriage, it's also they sacrifice a lot for each other.
Only girls. Only
No,
the side of girls.
no. I have seen, I have seen arranged marriage and I have seen as well love marriage how it is going on with them. And sometimes it's depend on that person, and sometimes it's it's totally depend on that person who is giving, uh, who is going to sacrifice for each other, yes or not. But you can consider it right when you are going in love marriage. That time you can observe a lot of thing in that person, that how he or she will be for you in future.
Yeah, but in my opinion, in arranged marriage, the success rate is much because if you marry arrange with a person, so lots of relatives pressure or parents pressure, uh, parents pressure uh, remain remain your relation at the at a level and
That is why sometimes they are suffering, I said to you. They want to come out from that, but they can't because of this kind of pressure. And
which
about
type
they
of
think about and they think about society, that what will they say, this kind of.
which type of suffering are you talking about?
I'm talking about like if his husband like beating him, or if he is
30 मिनट
cheating
हो गया.
on.
No, it's not
30 मिनट हो गया.
just a minute. नहीं 23 minutes हुआ है भाई, कहाँ 30 minutes?
I think they
48 हो
have
गया. It's
votes.
10:48.
No, but I'm I can see this stopwatch में तो 23 दिखा रहा है.
Okay, okay.
क्यों मतलब, या तो बच्चे
Carry on, carry on,
या तो ये हार
carry on.
मान जाए, बोले कि बस इससे ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता, मैं अभी स्टॉप कर दूंगा.
No,
सर हम तो लड़ रहे
you
हैं.
carry on, sir.
पॉइंट्स
Actually, it's repeatedly.
अगर पॉइंट्स आपकी खत्म हो गया तो मैं अभी स्टॉप कर सकता हूँ, बता दीजिए एक बार.
But I have, sir. First, I want to say something.
हाँ, गो है.
So
Yeah,
you were talking about what kind of
suffering. What kind of suffering are you talking about?
if he is beating, if he is cheating on her, if he is not behaving well with her, if he is not caring, if he these there is so many points, etc.
So these type of cases can come in the love marriage also. In the love marriage also, cheat your life partner you
But
in
few,
the
I would say only few, not each and every. If you
and
know that. Mhm.
and arranged marriage more partner cheated
Most
you.
of the cases, yes, because sometimes a girl or boy, whoever, they don't like if they don't like that girl or that boy, he don't want to marry, but their parents and everybody continuously pressurizing him or her to marry that guy, then they had to do that time, and after that what will they do? These kind of things, so that he or she left me, and I can I will free in future. So these things is
No,
also happening.
if we talk about cheating or beating or anything, so
Hmm.
it depends on that person's nature.
Huh,
It depends on that
you are right,
person's
but how will you
background,
know that
not
person?
on arranged marriage or love marriage. Not on
How
arranged
will
marriage
you
or love
know
marriage.
that person very well when you are in, when you know that person very well before marriage? And you, if you will spend time, more time with that person, and you will get so many things, that he is right for me or not, what kind of things I will tolerate or what kind of things I will not, at that time when you spend that person. And if you are that much mature to see that time, that what he is doing wrong and what he is doing wrong, if you are not that much mature to see that who is going to be right or wrong at that moment, then you should not get married. And if in
No,
case,
if your parents, if your parents, if your parents uh, if your parents creates any relation with any family, so they know the person, they know his parents also, they know his background also, and in this way we can say that
it doesn't,
if his background is clean and clear, so
but
the
it doesn't
person.
matter about background. You are going to live with that person. So at that moment, this person is
No,
important.
ma'am,
How you feel. It's
99%
not about
depends on your
background.
background.
I know you are
99%
talking
depends
about.
on your background.
Mhm.
If you have clean and good background, if you have surrounded with the lofty people, so you can't beat any women, or you can't cheat with any man or women.
Really? I mean,
Yeah,
you
really.
are saying that, you are saying that in your,
99% cases,
no, no, you
99.
are
I'm
absolutely
talking
wrong on
about
this.
all this 99% cases.
According to
We can't
background, you
say
are judging that
ever we
person,
can't say
then you are
100% of cases.
wrong. No. According to background, you can't say anything on that person.
99% are cases depend
What
on background
99%?
of the person. If if her or his background is clean and clear, if the noble persons
And
are
what about those person who, their background clean and clear, but they do the same kind of things after that?
they
So
come
what?
in that one person. I'm talking about just 99% and you are talking, so those persons are come in 1% persons.
Okay, and
They
other all are like their background clear, and they are going to be in clear in marriage life.
what?
Am I right? I mean, you are saying that if their background clear, then they are going to be clear in future in your life.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Uh, I don't think so. You are absolutely wrong. Sorry, क्या बोल रही हूँ? You are absolutely wrong because you can't see future. You just have to be in present, and you present see that how is he,
So in
that person. He is going to be good with me
having done love marriage, you how can you see your future? Having done your
because I
if your parents
because I have
if
spent.
your parents joins your relation with a person, so many people have your responsibility. Not and in love marriage, just only you have responsibility of your relation. But in arranged marriage, your parents, his parents, and other so many relations have the responsibility to create and your remain the fair relation with you and your life partner.
But I said if you spend time and you are in love that person, that time you know each other now. You know that
Okay,
what is
30
wrong to me.
minutes done. Very well done. First
Thank
time.
you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Amni
Thank you, sir.
Kichwani.